Have you ever wondered if your manifestation is actually working? Maybe you've been visualizing every day, repeating affirmations, meditating, trying to stay positive. Yet nothing seems to be happening. What if I told you that your manifestation often begins long before it physically appears? The universe doesn't always send your desire first. It usually sends signs. These signs are subtle. They are easy to dismiss. Many people mistake them for coincidence. But those who understand manifestation know that these are indicators that your energy is aligning with your desired reality. In today's video, I'll share 11 powerful signs your manifestation is coming. Some of these signs may surprise you. If you've been experiencing even a few of them, you could be much closer to your dream than you realize. Stay until the end because the final sign is perhaps the strongest indication that your reality is about to shift dramatically. Let's begin. Manifestation isn't magic. It's the process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions with the reality you want to experience. Everything in the universe is energy. Your thoughts emit energy. Your emotions amplify that energy. Your beliefs determine the frequency you consistently broadcast. When your inner frequency matches your desired outcome, life begins rearranging itself. Often, this rearrangement starts internally before it becomes visible externally. Think of planting a seed. For days or weeks, nothing appears above the soil. But underneath, roots are growing. The same thing happens with manifestation. Let's look at the first sign. Sign number 1, you feel more peaceful. One of the biggest misconceptions about manifestation is believing you'll constantly feel excited. Ironically, many people begin feeling calmer just before their manifestation arrives. Why? Because resistance begins dissolving. Instead of desperately wanting something, you simply know it's coming. The anxiety disappears. You stop checking your phone every 5 minutes. You stop worrying. You stop forcing. This emotional calm is incredibly powerful. It means your nervous system is no longer vibrating in lack. You're entering the frequency of trust. The universe responds much more easily to trust than desperation. If you've recently noticed yourself feeling unexpectedly peaceful about your desire, celebrate. That's an excellent sign. Sign number 2, synchronicities increase. Have you been seeing repeating numbers? 111, 222, 333, 555. Or perhaps your desired opportunity keeps showing up unexpectedly. You hear the same message from different people. You think about someone and they call you. A book falls off the shelf exactly when you need it. A stranger mentions the exact career you've been considering. These aren't necessarily magical events. They're reflections of increasing energetic alignment. When your awareness expands, you begin noticing meaningful patterns. Carl Jung called this synchronicity. Manifestation teachers often describe it as confirmation from the universe. Whatever language you prefer. These meaningful coincidences often increase before significant life changes. Pay attention. Life may be communicating with you. Sign number 3, old problems begin leaving. This surprises many people. Sometimes life appears to get worse before it gets better. Friendships end. Jobs change. Old habits disappear. Unexpected challenges arise. It feels confusing. But here's what may actually be happening. The old version of your life can no longer support your new identity. The universe isn't punishing you. It's creating space. Imagine buying beautiful new furniture. The old furniture must first leave the room. Likewise, old relationships, old beliefs, old environments sometimes need to dissolve before your new reality arrives. Don't fear change. Welcome it. Sign number 4, you're inspired to take action. Manifestation isn't only about visualization, it's also about inspired action. You'll suddenly feel motivated to apply for a job, start a business, join a class, call someone, travel somewhere, read a particular book, learn a new skill. The action feels exciting rather than forced. This inspiration often comes from your subconscious mind recognizing opportunities your conscious mind cannot yet see. Many people think manifestation simply falls into their lap. But frequently, the universe opens the door. You still have to walk through it. Listen to those intuitive nudges. They may be leading directly toward your manifestation. Sign number 5, you stop obsessing. This might sound strange. Many people receive their manifestation shortly after they stop thinking about it constantly. Why? Because obsession equals attachment. Attachment creates resistance. Imagine trying to hold water tightly in your hand. The harder you squeeze, the more water slips away. Manifestation works similarly. When you relax, you allow life to flow naturally. You don't stop caring. You simply stop controlling. This shift is incredibly powerful. It's often the exact moment your energy changes from lack to abundance. Sign number 6, your intuition becomes stronger. Have you noticed yourself knowing things before they happen? Feeling guided without logical explanation? Having vivid dreams? Strong gut feelings? Sudden insights? Heightened intuition often accompanies energetic alignment. Your mind becomes quieter. Your awareness expands. Instead of overthinking, you begin sensing. Many successful people describe intuition as their greatest advantage. Manifestation strengthens this inner guidance because you're becoming more connected to yourself. Trust those feelings. Not every thought deserves attention, but genuine intuition carries a quiet certainty. Sign number 7, you begin acting like the future version of yourself. This is one of the strongest indicators. Without realizing it, you start becoming the person who already has your manifestation. You dress differently. You think differently. You speak differently. You make healthier decisions. You protect your time. You respect yourself more. You naturally begin matching the identity required for your new reality. This is critical. Manifestation isn't only about attracting something, it's about becoming someone. When identity shifts, reality follows. Ask yourself every day, what would the future version of me do today? Then simply do that. If these signs resonate with you, pause for a moment and comment below. I trust divine timing. Writing it reinforces your belief and may encourage someone else who needs to hear this today. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on manifestation, meditation, mindfulness, and conscious living. Sign number 8, you feel random bursts of gratitude. One day, without any obvious reason, you suddenly feel grateful. Not because your desire has arrived, but simply because you're alive. You appreciate little things. Morning sunlight, bird song, a warm cup of tea, your family. your health, your breath. This is significant because gratitude shifts your focus from what is missing to what is already abundant. The emotional state of gratitude naturally raises your vibration, making it easier to recognize opportunities, maintain resilience, and respond positively to life's unfolding events. Many people think gratitude is something you practice after success. In reality, gratitude is often one of the emotional qualities that helps prepare you for success. Sign number 9: unexpected opportunities begin appearing. One of the clearest signs your manifestation is approaching is that life starts presenting opportunities you never planned for. You receive an email out of the blue. Someone mentions a business idea. A friend introduces you to the right person. A job opening appears at the perfect moment. You stumble upon a book that answers exactly the question you've been asking. An invitation arrives that changes the direction of your life. At first, these moments may seem random. But manifestation often works through ordinary events rather than extraordinary miracles. Many people expect the universe to deliver their dreams in dramatic fashion. Instead, it usually delivers opportunities. The opportunity may seem small. It may not look like your final destination. But remember this: great manifestations rarely arrive in one giant leap. They unfold one step at a time. The opportunity you almost ignored today could become the breakthrough you celebrate a year from now. This is why awareness is so important. Ask yourself each morning, what opportunities is life placing in front of me today? Instead of asking, why isn't my manifestation here yet? Shift your attention from waiting to noticing. Because opportunity is often manifestation wearing work clothes. Sign number 10: your limiting beliefs begin surfacing. This is one of the most misunderstood signs. Just before a major breakthrough, old fears often come back. Self doubt appears. Negative thoughts become louder. You suddenly question yourself. You wonder if you're good enough. You wonder if your dreams are too big. Many people assume this means manifestation is failing. Actually, it may mean the opposite. Imagine cleaning your home. Before it becomes spotless, you pull everything out of the cupboards. For a while, the room looks messier than before. The same happens emotionally. The subconscious mind begins releasing old programming. Beliefs you've carried since childhood begin surfacing so they can finally be healed. Thoughts like, I don't deserve success. I'm not lucky. People like me never become wealthy. I'll probably fail. These beliefs are not your future. They are simply your past asking to be released. Instead of fighting them, observe them. Ask yourself, is this thought absolutely true? Or is it simply an old story I've been repeating? Awareness dissolves limitation. Every limiting belief you release creates space for a new empowering belief. Instead of saying, I'll never succeed, choose, I am learning to become the person who naturally succeeds. Notice the difference. One closes possibilities, the other opens them. Growth doesn't happen because you never experience fear. Growth happens because you stop allowing fear to make your decisions. Sign number 11: you just know. This final sign is perhaps the most powerful of all. You simply know. Not because someone told you. Not because you have proof. Not because everything is perfect. But because something deep inside you has become certain. It feels peaceful, quiet, steady. There is no excitement mixed with panic. No desperate searching. No constant need for reassurance. It's an inner confidence that cannot easily be explained, almost as though your future self is whispering, "Keep going." Athletes experience this before winning championships. Entrepreneurs experience it before building successful businesses. Artists experience it before creating masterpieces. Parents experience it before holding their newborn child. There is a moment when certainty replaces doubt. Manifestation follows that certainty. When you reach this state, you stop asking, "When will it happen?" Instead, you begin preparing for its arrival. That's a profound shift. Because preparation is an act of faith. You organize your finances before abundance arrives. You clear space in your home before welcoming new opportunities. You improve your health before achieving your dream career. You become emotionally available before meeting the right relationship. Preparation tells the universe, "I believe this is coming." And belief changes behavior. Behavior changes reality. The biggest mistake people make. Now here's something important. Many people become obsessed with signs. They look for angel numbers every hour. They analyze every coincidence. They constantly ask, "Is this a sign?" Ironically, that obsession creates resistance. Signs are meant to reassure you. They're not meant to become your focus. The goal isn't collecting signs. The goal is becoming the version of yourself who naturally experiences the reality you desire. Think about planting a tree. You don't dig up the seed every day to check if it's growing. You water it, protect it, trust the process. Manifestation works the same way. Do the inner work. Take inspired action. Stay grateful. Remain patient. Allow life to unfold. 3 daily practices to accelerate manifestation. Before we finish, here are 3 simple practices you can start today. 1. Practice gratitude every morning. Before checking your phone, list 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. Feel the gratitude, not just think it. Emotion is the fuel that strengthens positive habits and keeps your attention on what is already working in your life. 2. Visualize for 5 minutes. Close your eyes. Imagine your desire has already become reality. See it. Hear it. Feel it. Smile. Most importantly, experience the emotions associated with achieving your goal. When visualization is combined with consistent action, it can strengthen motivation, improve confidence, and help you recognize opportunities that align with your goals. 3. Take one inspired action every day. Manifestation is a partnership. Your inner world creates clarity. Your outer actions create movement. Every single day, ask yourself, "What's one action I can take today that moves me closer to my dream?" Then do it, even if it's tiny. Tiny actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results. Remember, your manifestation is not only about receiving something, it's about becoming someone. The universe isn't just changing your circumstances, it's transforming your identity. Every challenge, every delay, every lesson, every coincidence, every opportunity is shaping you into the person capable of living the life you've been asking for. So if you've been wondering whether your manifestation is on its way, take a deep breath. Look at your life with fresh eyes. Notice the signs. Celebrate the progress. Trust the timing. Keep showing up. And never underestimate what can change in a single day. The reality you're dreaming about may be much closer than you think. If this message inspired you, comment below. I am ready to receive. I'd love to know which of these 11 signs you've been experiencing. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reminder that their dreams are still unfolding. Thank you for spending this time with me. Until next time, stay grateful, stay aligned, stay present, and remember, what you consistently believe, feel, and work toward has the power to shape the life you create.